YouTube. This is Nicole here, and I haven't made a video in a long time, as usual. I usually take long breaks before making videos, but I was very obligated to make this video. Recently, I have obtained a new hobby, which is reading manga. So I saw the Deathnote anime years ago. It was the first anime I ever watched, and the first anime where when I was young I typed in anime on Google, and this was like one of the first animes to come up. So when I was older I watched the anime, and now that I'm older I got into reading manga. So here is the complete set of the Deathnote manga. It's called the Complete Box set, and it has this awesome artwork on the outside. I didn't do much research on this, what comes with this. I didn't do much research, so I have no idea what to expect. I actually purchased the first 3 volumes, and when I was searching for volume 4, it was sold out everywhere. This is a huge problem that we get in the fight for getting a freaking manga copy. So I decided to just buy the whole thing because I knew I wanted to read the whole thing eventually. So I saw it was on sale on Amazon, and I had to pick it up for $100 for 13 bucks. It's actually a great price. You're actually saving money buying this whole set. Here we go. Ooh, Velcro. Ooh, that was satisfying. This is very satisfying. So the front of the box, this. And then here are all my books. And all my books look like they are in great condition. I have the first 3. I was looking for the 4th one. I'm actually gonna sell these first 3 brand new ones. So if anyone's interested, be my guest. Can take these brand new unread copies. Okay, so now I have these are my 3 ones, and I'm just gonna keep them and then sell the brand new ones. I'm gonna look at all of the artwork. Yeah, this artwork is so cute. Let me show off the artwork of all of these ones. So what I really like about buying the single ones is this awesome artwork. The artist's name is actually on the front. His name is Takeshi Obata. I'm not a good Japanese speaker, or I'm not good at pronouncing the words, so I'm sorry. But yeah, that is the artwork is awesome. This is what I have a question about, actually. Deathnote 13, how to read. This is what I don't know what this is. So the ultimate Deathnote encyclopedia. Everything you need to know about Deathnote, the best-selling manga series. So I say manga or manga, like I don't know. I literally just say both. Featuring complete character biographies, detailed storylines, summaries, production notes, and behind the scenes. That's cool. How cool artists and the author interviews with them. And a bonus manga chapter of never before translated material. Unless you own your very own Deathnote, it doesn't get any better than this. That's cool. Oh, this is what was sliding around in here. What is this? I'm not sure what this is. I don't want to break the cover too bad. True name card. There's something in here, like a note or something. That's fun. Oh, cut here. I'm gonna do it. Let's do it. Oh my god, this is so cool. Wait, true name card, does that mean that's L's real name? Did we ever learn his real name? L. Loliet. I guess, is that his real name? I don't know. I don't know what this is, but this is so cool. That's cool. So I'm gonna read this after I'm done reading the whole series. And yeah, here is the chapter. The untranslated goodness that's in here. I'm excited to read that. I'm gonna lay out all the artwork so you can see it like all neatly and stuff in a second. Yeah, so pretty much that's it, guys. All the books plus this special number 13 book with a cool photo card in it with L on it. Yeah, the first time I searched up anime, yeah, Deathnote came up, and I thought L was cute, and he was like one of my first anime crushes. Okay, I actually missed something. There's a complete guide on how to use the Deathnote. All of the rules are in here. All the rules are written in the actual mangas, but it's cool how it has a nice guide for you, so when you buy your own Deathnote, you know how to use it correctly. I would actually buy a Deathnote. We'll see. And yeah, thank you for watching my video. I think this is very well worth the money, and the books are protected. If you know you're gonna read the whole series, buy this. If you don't know, then don't buy it. But I personally think this is worth the money. My experience with finding manga lately isn't too fun. I mean, it kind of is fun. I'm going on an adventure to every comic book store, but they're sold out in a lot of stores. So I decided to buy the whole set because I know I was gonna buy the whole set. So thank you for watching my video. And I'm going to cut to the next scene where you can see all the artwork. Alrighty, so here are all of the books. Don't they look so good together? The album artwork is just awesome. So honestly, I bought the singles because I really love this artist's artwork. Like, I don't remember this character. Like, I kind of don't remember this in the anime, so I'm very excited. I don't remember that person. Like, I don't remember too much of the story, so it's kind of like I'm reading something new again, so I'm excited. I do remember something about Elle, though. I don't want to say any spoilers, but I do remember sad fate for Elle. I really like him, though. But these are all... This is the contents of the package. And then inside we got a cool skull in there. I can't really fit it in my small bookshelf, so I'm going to put it in my little gamer section over there. And sadly, I might cut the front of this box off. I'm not 100% sure, but I do like to see the binders of the books just for display. So yes, I might cut that off. Alright, so thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys get this set. It's awesome. It's still on Amazon, and it's also on Barnes & Nobles and Walmart. But Amazon, it's the cheapest, and it's free shipping, and you know the deal. Here's my setup. I just put my mangas under my desk here with my video games. And I did not wind up cutting the box, I just winded up folding it underneath the box. And yeah, doesn't it look so nice? So right now I'm reading 4. There we go. Yeah. Nice display, easy access, protects the books. So if you want your display to look like this, it looks really nice. Hello again. So there was actually something I forgot to mention. So there's the the Deathnote Black Edition that I have been seeing in the stores, which is Deathnote, but doubled up. So 1 and 2, blah 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 blah. This way, yes, you can save money, but in my opinion, this artwork having the single ones. The artwork is awesome. I love the artwork on here. The artwork on the black edition is good, but it's a little basic. But the pages on the outer corner are all black. It looks really cool. So it matters what you want. Personally, I wanted this. So yeah, I just wanted to add that, some options. Thank you for watching my video. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you guys buy this because it's awesome and I really love the smell of new books. So thank you for watching. Everyone have a nice day.